186, effective until 8 o'clock p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Guernsey, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, and Washington, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasance, and Wetzel, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio W.